What's going on, and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be continuing the work on this B18 here, but we're really going to focus on the front end and stuff. So we're going to take all the pulleys off, the belts, everything. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take this pulley off. Take the pulley off. Now this is what you don't want to lose. You do not want to lose this, because this is what holds it all together pretty much. And you don't want to lose this neither. This is what we're working with right now. So this is your crankshaft position sensor, which I have a code for that, which I don't know why. We'll figure that out, or we'll just bypass it. So now this belt should be able to come off, but I gotta relieve the tension on it. All right, I took the spring off. Now what you're gonna do is break this loose. So you're gonna get the breaker bar. I already broke it loose a little bit, but you loosen it, and then the belt will come loose. See? There's the belt. There we go. Just get yourself a rubber mallet. Yeah, there's still gonna be some in there. Oh man. That gasket is, yikes. All right, add that to the list of things to buy. All right. So I'm thinking we just take this off. No, here we go. Here we go. Now we're gonna get a new one of these too. This is very important too. This is another one that's in this little sprocket right here. Make sure you don't lose them. But anyway, we're probably gonna leave the cams. I don't feel like touching the cams right now, but we got the tensioner off. We got the spring off that was with the tensioner, water pump, timing belt. We got the sensor off. We got the, I don't even know what that is, crank gear maybe. It's really hard to get off, but we got it. But we got a whole new oil pump to put on, and I'm gonna order a new tensioner and water pump, because why not? We already got our whole engine rebuild kit in the car. Actually, it just came in, so see, so we got boxes, we got piston heads in there, everything, gaskets. Next video, we're probably gonna take the oil pan off, and probably the oil pump, and might take the head off, but I'm not sure yet. This is a really small engine, so I'm trying to spread the content out, because I know I could literally take this apart in a whole day if you let me, but I'm trying to spread the content out so that the videos are shorter, and that's why. But other than that, that's the what she's looking like now. But stay tuned for the next one. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment for any tips or anything like that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.